I don't remember when I heard the first rumor.
David Lynch and Mark Frost called me and they said, "There's something happening here."
I figured something was up.
He said, "Have you heard the rumors about Twin Peaks?" And I said, "I actually have." He said, "They're all true."
I didn't faint, but I did experience the strangest feeling.
There was nothing like it. Revisiting all this territory, there's a freshness to it, there's a lightness to it.
It's just been a beautiful thing, getting to see everybody, and it's almost as if no time had passed.
It is such a group process. You feel like you're part of a team, but something bigger than that.
It's spontaneous, it's in the moment, and it's the best kind of acting.
The journey that the characters go on is remarkable.
The show's very dynamic and has a lot of facets. In my opinion, it discovers in a poetic way the whole human experience.
It's a big cast, it's a big story, big things happen.
There are so many surprises in the show.
Prepare to be a little out of your comfort zone in the best possible way.
We knew it was going to be something special. We just didn't know in what form or how. There's nothing I can say to describe it. It's been absolutely wonderful.